Take a look at how much I've actually made right here with CPA marketing and CPAgrip to be precise right now. And you can actually make such amount right here. So guys, one of the strategy which I actually did use to make such amounts is a self-clicking strategy right now. And I'm just going to explain to you what that strategy is all about right here in today's video. So do watch this video right now to the end to understand this simple strategy right now. So first of all guys, you want to just simply go onto this platform CPAgrip and register for an account. It's quite easy. Register right there, and if you successfully do register, you should log into your account and be brought to the page such as this. Once you're actually brought to that, you can actually go onto the offer tools section, click on my offers and go on to selecting a simple offer which you want to promote. You can select offers on any category of your choice and on any field right now. Supposing I want to select offers to the United States, I can actually go on to selecting that right here via this section right now. So if I do go on to selecting the United States offers right here guys, as you can see, this field is actually going to load up, or this page is going to load up right now, and I will be able to see offers available to that demographic of which I can actually start promoting right now. And guys, if I do go on to promoting this offer right now guys, you can actually see more details to this offer. That is an Apple iOS offer, also an Android and zip submit offer, an email and zip submit offer. The payout to this offer is $1.45, and right now guys, all your leads actually have to do is to first of all come from the United States right now, and they actually have to be using an Apple iOS device to go on to completing a simple survey and submit their email address and zip code, and you do get paid $1.45 right now. And what you actually want to do right here guys is you just simply go on to using this simple strategy, which is the self-clicking strategy, to complete such offers right now. And maybe if I do go on to selecting another kind of offer right here, you'll be able to see more details about this offer right now. So make sure you do copy the link to this offer, and once you do copy the link to this offer, you want to just simply go on to installing an VPN application on your device. And right now guys, as you can see, my VPN is actually available right now. You can see the VPN is actually loading up, and it's for the United States right here, which is the urban VPN. If I do select the United States right now, I can actually select that location right here and do click on this play icon for it to actually go on to connecting itself to that particular location. And right now guys, on any platform is actually going to go on to be reading that I'm actually in the United States right now. If I do go into a new tab and actually paste in that offer, I will be able to see the link right now or more details about that offer or that particular landing page to that offer once this actually loads up. So next thing guys, you can see that you actually have to be using an Android device. So make sure you do use an Android device right here while actually doing this right now. And the last thing right here is to go on to submitting your email address and zip code. And guys, for you to actually get email addresses right now in a particular location, maybe you can then just simply go on to using your normal email address to actually do that. If you don't want to use your normal email address, you can actually go on to using the temporary email address right now, and actually do go on to searching for that on Google. You'll be able to see a lot of websites where you could get temporary email addresses which you could go on to using. As you can see right now, this page right here for the temporary email address, which is the tempmail.org, is actually a cool one right now, where you can actually do get a temporary email right here. And if you do get messages right now, you'll be able to see that in this inbox section right here. So you can actually utilize this right now to go on to completing a kind of offer right now. And supposing it's actually a pin submit offer and you actually want to complete such offer right now, you could also go on to searching for temporary phone numbers right here, and you'll be able to see temporary phone numbers in any location of your choice. If you do fixing the location in the search right now, you'll be able to see websites where you could get temporary phone numbers that you could go on to using. Although in some cases right there, you may need to go on to paying for that particular phone number right now to actually make use of that. You may just simply need to go on to paying for that right now, or you can actually go on to using that to go on to completing some CPA marketing offers right now, and actually do start earning some cool cash if they are actually the pin submit offers. And you can actually go on to utilizing this right now to your preference right there. Maybe if you do get basic and credit card submit offers, you could also go online right now. And if I do go to searching for credit card, so right here guys, you can see that I actually did search for the credit card for US registration, and you can see right here that this actually had an annual fee of $0 credit and free credit card. And guys, you don't actually have an annual fee credit card right here. You do get to register for maybe some cool credit cards right now, or register to create some temporary credit cards in that particular location right there. And some cases you do go into paying an amount. In some cases you can actually do that for free, and once you do get such details from such credit card, you can then just simply go into using that to also complete an offer right here on this particular platform. And in doing so guys, you are actually going to be self-clicking those offers right now, and you'll be able to earn some cool cash with CPA marketing by doing so. And the thing about this is that if you are actually using the self-clicking method, after completing an offer each and every single time, make sure you do go to clean the cache file of your browser right there, so as actually to make sure that your browser or the CPA marketing platform does not actually record that you are actually using the same particular device to complete such offers. So you can actually do go on to doing that right there every single time you complete an offer using the self-clicking method, and use this right now to make money in the year 2023 and beyond. If this video was helpful to you, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.